Good morning, this is Ryan Schofield, and welcome to another installment of Trading Success Zone, brought to you by ETX Capital and Trade with Precision. Well, welcome back to the screens. Welcome back after your fantastic festive season, hopefully. I've had a very, very good time off, and now looking to get back to the screens. That period between Christmas and New Year's is a time of introspection, looking at your trading business from the past year, seeing where you've come, seeing your developments, and refocusing yourself for the year ahead. Okay, so hopefully you've all done that and you're all feeling really energized, got your training plans up to date on how you're going to tackle 2011 and just really energized to take the year forward. I haven't really started trading yet. What I've been doing is I've been analyzing markets, seeing where they are. I've got back yesterday, so just really starting to feel my way back into the markets. So looking here on Aussie dollar, poked its head above 1.02, that's an all-time high. I've got 27 years worth of information on this chart, and that hasn't been higher in those 27 years, and I suspect it is the highest it's ever been. Aussie dollar showing some very, very big strength against the US dollar. You can also see what we got here as parity. So we've made a new move back up, and we're pulling back up into that level. Okay, we're making successive. There's a high, there's a high, and higher low. And this could potentially be right here in your high low. So I'm watching the next couple of days to see what we get in this arena. I'm looking to find a potential area to see if we can join a trend and trade this thing long, trade this thing to the upside. I really do like Aussie strength. I haven't taken any trades. I'm just watching to see what potential setup. I also like CAD. It's just at another big number here of parity. You can see we've formed this base. We've broke through it in the last 5 or 6 days, and now we're pulling back up into it. Now that to me says, hey, look, we're making low lows and low highs on this daily chart, looking really good, pulling back up into the sell zone for our next potential move to the downside, looking really textbook pull back into the moving averages. What I don't like about this, however, is on the higher time frame. So we're looking here on the weekly chart. Let me rub out that arrow quickly. One thing I don't like is the fact that we've really formed a base on the higher time frames. Okay, you can see we really have formed a base. Now this week so far, okay, yes, we're only Wednesday, we've still got a few more days to go, but it's looking kind of bullish at the moment. Now, if the daily short triggers, yes, this candlestick will be bearish by the end of the week, and this will just be a whole lot of speculation on my part. However, what I do like is the fact that if I was to take this trade, I'll be looking to take it on a higher time frame. I'm looking to take it on a weekly chart. Okay, that's where I'll be looking to take this trade, because the higher time frame has dominated this level for so long. That's where I'd feel most comfortable taking any short trades. But I'm watching this to see if we get a rejection, a nice rejection. I might actually change my mind and start to look along on CAD, on dollar CAD. What else we got here? Silver's been looking very good lately. Okay, let's put it down to the daily charts and zoom out a little bit. Now, you remember a few weeks back I put a video out about buying back in these moving averages. We had a nice pop back up, which has been really, really good. One thing I have noticed though is that we have made 3-wave divergence now. Okay, so this divergence is starting to get really, really, really powerful. It's starting to say, hey man, this is looking pretty tough to the upside. Are we going to take any more long trades? Okay, this is where we're starting to question that action. Now, one thing I have to point out is the fact that since August, that was the last time price closed on a daily basis beneath the 20-period moving average. You can see how many times we've retested it and we've bounced off it. Okay, this 20-period has been a very, very good area of dynamic support, just showing where levels of equilibrium where the market tends to find buyers. Okay, now I'm interested to see if buyers come in again down here. This is where we are today. That's our little red candlestick form for today. I'm interested to see, okay, just to see what happens. Now, so we're still in an uptrend. We're still making higher highs, higher lows. This is all looking good. We haven't closed beneath the 20-period moving average. However, we've got this 3-wave divergence on the higher time frame. So the weekly, we are extended from the moving averages. On the monthly, we're very extended from the moving averages. Now, this arrow doesn't look so good now. So I'm actually in a little bit of a cautious mode here with silver. I'm not taking any trades on a daily basis just yet because of that. I want to see some kind of a pullback. Pullbacks are healthy to price. Price likes to find equilibrium before a next healthy move occurs. Okay, so what else am I looking at the moment? Well, a couple of stocks in the FTSE. I quite like the Close Brothers group here. What we've got is a daily chart here. You see how every time we pull up, we pull back into the buy zone, move up into the buy zone, consolidation, break out, pull into the buy zone. Now we're forming this flat level up here. Okay, we've got quite a nice little flat level at 870 area. Okay, I'm interested to see what happens here. One thing I am cautious about is the fact that we have divergence starting to form at this level. You can see these indicators are starting to roll over, but that's mathematical. How price stalls at a level, you'll generally find that your indicators will start to drift away. Mathematically, that's going to occur. But we have got a really nice flat level here, and for a potential pop back up to upside with global index bullishness, you'll see this hopefully will start to pop back up. I haven't got a trade on this just yet, but it's potentially looking pretty good. I'm watching to see exactly how today and potentially tomorrow before I look to take any potential trades. What else? This one is probably one of my favorite charts at the moment. This is Fenner, a mid 250 industrial engineering. Okay, you can see this daily chart, how beautiful it's been pulling up. Now this is a chart, this chart is the ETX Capital. Okay, so this is from the platform. You can see how beautiful these moves are. Every time we come back to the buy zone, bang, we get a next move up. What I will be looking to see today, probably won't get it today, maybe tomorrow or Friday, a nice little candlestick inside the buy zone for a potential next move up. That's what I'm looking for. But I really like this Fenner chart. As I said earlier, nothing's cooking just yet. I don't have any trades on, but I'm watching, seeing, looking for potential opportunity, looking at FX, looking at index futures, looking at commodities, and looking at stocks. Just trading trends, folks. Just looking for the flow and going with it. Now, as it's the start of a new year, start of a new trading year, we've just have to look at some of the courses that we're doing with ETX Capital at the moment. Now, the advanced courses are kicking off next week, Monday. 10th of Jan, it begins with part 1, technical trading ingredients. That is a very, very good basic understanding on the technical analysis ingredients that we at Trader Precision use. It's really, really crucial to the ongoing monthly course because everything is built from that. Now, part 2, advanced technical analysis, builds on the technical ingredients and would give you 2 good strategies and how to trade those strategies. Surviving the learning curve. How to actually stay in the game, folks. How to make money from trading over a long extended period. And then in my opinion, one of the best and most beneficial factors that we at Trader Precision do with our clients is team mentoring. So end of the month, 31st of Jan, we'll do a 2-hour mentoring session where you send us your trades for the month. Okay, so it's looking good. We're all set. I'm energized and really excited about this coming January course. If you're not a account holder, well, then consider signing up to an account. It takes 3 minutes online. You have to know that spread betting is not for everybody. There are risks involved. Find out if those risks are suitable for your risk appetite. All right, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed my video, and hopefully you have a fantastic year. It's going to be fantastic for all of us. We're going to have a great trading year, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. All right then, folks. Bye for now.